Welcome to Airsenal. I'm Sophia Vipentanzana, and together with my group, we'll dive into the vital role of air in sustaining life on Earth. From its essence to biogeochemical cycles, we'll uncover our profound connection to this invaluable resource. Join me on this journey to understand our responsibility in preserving our planet's most precious gift, the air that we breathe.
Hello, Ilagan here. I am here to explain the air as an ecological reservoir. Air is part of the environment. It is necessary part of life. Many different cycles happen in the air that keeps our environment going. Depending on the type of the environment the air changes. As air is just the byproduct of the environment the system is in. The air reservoir can be a small quantity or a huge quantity. For examples, like lungs, oxygen tank, or just the cloud, which is the condensation of air.
Hello, it's Reg, and today we'll delve into the intricate oxygen cycle, a vital biogeochemical process in nature. It starts with photosynthesis, where plants absorb carbon dioxide and releases oxygen. Animals then utilize this oxygen for respiration. Moreover, during respiration, organisms consume and release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, forming a balanced cycle.
Air, the invisible companion that sustains life on Earth. As human beings, our relationship with air is intricate and indispensable. Today, together with me, Adine Carion, we will explore its vital role in our existence. Air is very essence of life. Our lungs, the natural marvels, breathe in oxygen from the air, which fuels our bodies, providing us with the energy needed to thrive. But our actions also have consequences. Air quality in many urban areas is deteriorating due to pollution, posing serious health risks. Nature has provided us with forests, which act as Earth's lungs. They produce oxygen, filter pollutants, and help maintain the delicate balance of our atmosphere. Remember that we can make a difference. Houseplants like this one improve indoor air quality. By reducing pollutants and adding oxygen, they create a healthier living environment.
Hi, my name is Gabriel B. Garcia, and I would like to remind you, in the grand scheme of things, we are but a small part of this vast planet. However, our responsibility to protect and preserve the air is immense. It's a lifeline that connects us to all living creatures and the earth itself.
So next time you take a deep breath, remember how intimately linked we are to the air.
Let's cherish and protect this precious resource, ensuring a healthier world for ourselves and future generations.
Hi, I'm Kevin, and here I will discuss about whether we humans are considered to be an invasive species of air. First, we should see the advantages of having humans in general, and that is our contribution of producing carbon dioxide, which is vital in regulating the Earth's temperature as well as photosynthesis. However, with the overpopulations of humans, we then get to see the disadvantages, especially with the increasing demand for basic needs. With the rise of population in proportion to the rise of demand for basic needs, greenhouse gas also increases, and thus providing an imbalance in temperature within the atmosphere. So, to answer the question of whether we are an invasive species or not, yes, we can be highly considered as an invasive species because there is too much greenhouse gas that is being produced by us, and we need to be responsible for it.
Hi, I'm Mikhail Galvez, and we will discuss what causes air quality to fluctuate due to human activity. Considering the roles of humans on air, our activities contribute to the quality of it.
First of all, living in cities generates much air pollution than in the rural parts of the country because of the amount of carbon footprint in cities. The negative effects of our activities towards air are caused by the emissions of motor vehicles, smoking, industrial wastes, chemicals from our everyday household items, agricultural emissions, and many more. This in turn produces also negative effects on our environment, which could turn deadly sometimes. Our activities emit carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and ozone. These are also known as the criteria pollutants.
Hello, Kennard here, and today I'll be talking about the potential health effects of bad air quality. Poor air quality can have a variety of effects on our health. Our health can be seriously and negatively impacted by poor air quality. A number of health issues might result from breathing in contaminated air. Fine particulate matter and other pollutants can aggravate lung conditions like asthma and bronchitis by harming the respiratory system, due to the fact that pollutants can enter the bloodstream and encourage inflammatory reactions and the development of arterial plaque. It is also linked to cardiovascular issues such as heart attacks and strokes.
Hi, a good day to everyone. I am Aira Desamito who will talk about the relation of epigenetics in preserving our health. We already know that exposure to poor air quality and pollutants have acute effects to our respiratory, cardiovascular, and immune system. At the same time, exposure can also cause changes in DNA methylation, which alters the regulation of gene expression, cause differences in biological responses, and increase disease susceptibility. But we should not lose hope despite the risk it imposes. It is within human nature that our bodies learn and be able to adapt to its current environment, more so when it is encouraged by our behaviors. From various studies mentioned by Ryder and Carlston, exercising and taking supplements with antioxidants, carotenoids, and vitamins, particularly B vitamins, can reduce air pollution effects. It can be said, then, that this is where epigenetics come into play, because besides our genetic framework and environment, our habits and diet can aid in the preservation of our health. It is why that it is best to take up a healthy lifestyle in combating against the air polluted environment.
Throughout our discussion, one thing remains clear. The relationship between humans and air is complex, intimate, and imperative. From understanding the very essence of air reservoir to delving into oxygen cycle and our role, both beneficial and detrimental, in the Earth's air dynamics. As we've heard from our team, our actions have far-reaching implications, yet our ability to adapt, learn, and change, coupled with the knowledge of epigenetics, offers hope. It's our shared responsibility to respect, protect, and preserve our world's air, a connection that binds us all. Let's rise to the challenge, ensuring the sustainable and harmonious future. Again, my name is Contreras, and this is